This is a 1974 Norton Commando 850 Interstate Mark II-A. Before I go over the upgrades within my bike, let's just have a listen to the amazing sound of the 850 Commando. Arguably, that is the best view in motorcycling. Biggest upgrade I did was on the front brake. New caliper and a new disc. This absolutely transformed how the bike stopped. The whole kit was from Donald Pender. Give him a search because it was brilliant. It bolted on, everything worked perfectly, and made the bike fantastic in the modern traffic. When I bought the bike, it had rear sets on it, kind of Dunstall style. But I found that if I was carrying a pillion, our feet would clash. So I got some brackets made which moved the pillion peg further back a bit, which enhanced comfort for the pillion and myself obviously, and made riding it much better. Now, this will upset some. This is a single carb. I know I'll get some abuse for this, but the Amel carbs that were on it were knackered, and I just didn't have the time to keep fiddling about with it, keep rebuilding them, keep adjusting them, which I know some people are brilliant able to do that. But I did a lot of research, took a gamble, and found that going for the single carb made it easy to start. I didn't feel much loss in power, and I didn't regret the change. I know many people that do the change don't regret it either. The other obvious change is that saddle. Often associated with the Triumph Bonneville saddle like this, but it was also available for the Commando. And there is a model of a prototype right towards the end of Norton's 70s run, if you like, that had this seat on it, and I saw it in a magazine in Classic Bike back in the 90s and absolutely loved it, so I got myself one. But I did find that it raised the seat height up even higher, which as a short-legged person already wasn't ideal. So I shaved the bottom of the seat foam off, then reupholstered it with the same upholstery that was already on it, pinned it back and put it back, and it just lowered the seat that little bit and also had quite a good look. As well as being slightly longer than the standard seat, which gave more comfort, it was also scooped in a kind of like king and queen style, which allowed a bit more comfort again for the pillion. There's also a rack on the back there, as you can see. There was other upgrades that I did over time. I got the isolastics changed the handlebars. I put those kind of 70s style mirrors on it, which I don't think look great, but again was good for the traffic. Overall, brilliant bike. I didn't have the time to keep on top of the maintenance, so that's why I sold it in the end. It was just at that time in my life, it just wasn't something I was able to do. So do I regret selling it? Perhaps slightly, but you know, I've had the Triumph Bonneville since then, and it's been perfectly reliable, and it's done everything that I've wanted it to do. Thank you for watching. I know it's a slight change from my normal videos, but if you've liked it, give me a like and subscribe. There'll be more videos coming of bike reviews, clothing reviews, and I'm also looking to upgrade the brake on my Bonneville, so that will be coming very, very soon.